everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. So if you've been following along on my channel for the past month or so, I've been doing a small space gardening series where I've been showing you guys all different vegetables that you can grow in containers. I wanted to give you guys a quick little 4-week update of how my garden is doing. So I don't have anything I can eat just yet, but there's definitely been a lot of growth in a really short period of time, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys each of the plants. Okay, so we're getting started with the green bean plant, which is the first video I showed you guys, and has it ever changed since that video? If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to go back and check it out on my channel. But as you guys can see here, I have lots of little blossoms growing. These are all going to turn into green beans, and it won't be long now before I'm going to have lots of green beans to pluck. Next, we're moving on to arugula. I did actually show you guys a harvest video and a little recipe where I showed you guys how to make a delicious arugula salad. If you didn't see that yet, you can go back and check that out on my channel as well. So since I've even taken this video, my arugula has already started to grow back, which is great. And the next video I showed you guys planting was lettuce, and as you can see, my lettuce is pretty much full in my container here. It's coming really lush and thick. There's a few different varieties of lettuce here. I did do a mixed variety of lettuces, and as you can see, it's dense all the way down in the container, so I'm probably going to be harvesting this pretty soon for salad. And over to the side here, these are the seeds I directly sowed into the container, and as you can see, these are growing as well. Next, we have my cucumber plant. This is getting quite huge. It's crazy how much it changes every single day. The leaves are massive on it as well, and here I do have my first flower popping up, which is so exciting. Next, I'm showing you guys my pepper plant. So I actually have done 2 peppers. I did a jalapeno, and this is the yellow pepper I'm showing you guys here. It has little buds already starting to grow on it. These are all gonna grow and turn into peppers. And here we have my tomato plant. This has grown out pretty big. It's almost filled the entire container. And as you can see, there's a lot of growth here in the middle, and it's growing really well. And next we have the eggplant, which has gotten huge. As you guys can see, those leaves are massive. Lots of new growth happening in the middle there as well. And the last video I showed you guys, which was not that long ago, is my kale plants. So they haven't actually changed all that much since I took that video. I have actually done 2 kale plants this year, and they are growing really well so far. Well, that's it for this video. I hope if you guys enjoyed this garden update, you will leave me a comment, a like, or subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more gardening and recipe videos to come. Thanks for watching!